Hello guys, today we are going to solve one of the lead code problems. This is set matrix 0. So let me go through the description of the problem quickly. So we are given with some m cross n matrix, and there will be some entries which will be I think 0. So whenever there is a 0 in particular cell, in the horizontal and the vertical side, all values will be 0 like this, not just for neighbors. It If that matrix would have been large, then the whole row and the whole column, the complete column would have been 0. Okay, so the one of the solution which comes to my mind is like create one 2D array, and then you can keep like boolean array, and whenever you find 0, and keep that row true, and then you traverse through and make them wherever you find vegetate or boolean array which is true. Based on that, you can modify the original one that will be the on1 omn space, but that will be pretty much bad idea. So again, we can take set up rows and set up columns, so that will reduce our space complexity to the om plus 1. That is still is not the best solution, optimized one. So we need to have some space in o1. I mean, space complexity should be constant time space. So what we can do something like, we can use first row and first column. If there is like 0 here, then I know that this column must be 0. If the whole column, if there is 0 here, let's say, then this row should be made equal to 0. So similar way, so the pretty much idea is to convert first row and first column like this set or omn space, so that will reduce our space complexity to the in o1. Okay, so let's start. See, I got this problem for you, so let me just describe quickly. So I'm just going through the matrix, and here I am putting column. Actually, what happens actually, for first row and first column, we need some, let's say, matrix 0 0. I am considering it for first row. And what will be the flag or identifier whether the first column is 0 or not, because we are considering these two, like first column, and this is for first, I mean this is second column, this is second row. But what about first column and first row? So I can take matrix 0 0 as first row, and for first column I am considering I am taking column variable. So what I am doing is, like, whatever I am going through that all rows, and if I see first column, like any row and first column is 0, then I know that this column flag is true, and this means I need to make that first column 0 at the last. And see, if you go down below here, matrix 0 0 is 0, so this means the first row will be reset to 0. See, I am taking all the rows, I mean the first row and all columns is 0. So I think this is clear, and if column is true, then I am taking all rows and first column reset to 0. So that idea is pretty much simple. So here is the trick. why I am going through, why I am not starting from j from 0. That will create a little bit ruckus. Why? Let me tell you. This is the problem. If I start from 0th column, then this will not make much sense. Or let's say if I find here 0, what I am doing here, I am making, let's say, I comma j is 0, then in 0th row at jth column, let's say this is 1 comma 0, then will be 0 comma 1, it is reset to 0, and this will also the same. But here if you closely observe, we are using this for just rows. First column we are using here, like this is 0, it means first row will be 0. This is 0, this simply means we are just using this for this one. For column we are already taking column variable, so it means we are duplicating our efforts. Or in the other words, if you see like ith okay, so in this way, because this first column is only used for the all rows. If it is, and this, okay, I got the idea. Like, see, if it is 0, then it doesn't means that, it just simply means a row corresponding to this cell and column corresponding to this cell will be reset to 0. But here what I am doing, 0 comma j in first column, so this will be made 0. It means this row will be 0 and this column will be 0 and this row will be also 0. That is the wrong output or wrong solution. So we are considering from 0, I mean I comma j equal to 1 from here, and then you can see if it is 0, then I comma j, so this column and this row will be set to 0. That's all. So, all right. And then again, the first part of the problem is setting first row and first column as prepared solution, I mean the space for next iterations. So we start from here. If I see 0 here, so I will make it 0. If I see 0 here, either, in both the case I am taking OR conditions. So yeah, this is the way. And then let's say run it for a while, it should work. So there is no def, so let's just submit it. Okay, this is faster than, I don't know why it's less than this. So this is the way we can do it.